We're super excited about our latest customer review. We worked very hard to meet our clients' every need, so we love hearing 5-star reviews from our valued clients. And this is what they had to say. Attention to detail and customer satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete customer care to each and every client. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value all customers, new and old, and treat them equally with great customer service. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.